We came back to the Jeep to a flat tire.
And who knows if some guy did that?
Some guy might have maliciously did that because the thing was right on top, and it looks like a slash, like a knife mark in the tire. Like he took a knife. Anyway, we got a tire repair kit. We put John, John's feeling to see if any air is coming out of there. We put one of those tire repair things in there. John's checking to see if there's any bubbles.
We don't see no bubbles.
Okay, hopefully we repaired it. Anyway, it's good to know how to repair these things on the back roads. It's good to have some knowledge in how to repair a flat tire.
Here's the repair kit.
And here's the repair kit that we used.
There's a sticky thing that's right there.
Those are the sticky things you buy, and those are the tools that you use to repair the flat.
You need a needle nose pliers.
Yeah, you need a needle nose pliers, and then you got to hammer it in with a hammer or axe or something. Sometimes you don't have to.
We're gonna get a bag to put this in now.
Now, luckily we bought one of those tire repair things before we left on the trip, because we've had flats before, and hopefully this does the job. And then we got one of these air pumps too. Anyway, hopefully everything turns out okay.